Deluxe Materials' new Precision Plastic Glue is a new, low-odour plastic cement with pinpoint precision. It is ideal for all types of plastic modelling and styrene kit plastics. Precision Plastic Glue comes in an easy-to-hold slimline bottle with a built-in needle applicator stored beneath the label for safety and safe posting. The needle applicator enables controlled, precise application of adhesive, and unlike competitor products, the adhesive makes needle clogging a thing of the past. Precision Plastic Glue forms a tough bond in 10 seconds, allowing plenty of working time, and is low odour for easy and safer working indoors. This non-toxic, non-flammable adhesive allows secure, damage-free transportation to the dealer in its own beautifully designed merchandiser.